Method overriding is combination of dash. A. Inheritance and polymorphism. B. Inheritance and encapsulation. C. Abstraction and polymorphism. D. Encapsulation and polymorphism. Correct answer A. Inheritance and polymorphism. In order for method overriding, method with same signature in both superclass and subclass is required with same signature. That satisfies both concepts inheritance and polymorphism. What is the difference between servlets and applets? 1. Servlets execute on server, applets execute on browser. 2. Servlets have no GUI, applet has GUI. 3. Servlets creates static web pages, applets creates dynamic web pages. 4. Servlets can handle only a single request, applet can handle multiple requests. A. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. B. 1 and 2 are correct. C. 1 and 3 are correct. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4 are correct. Correct answer B. 1 and 2 are correct. Servlets execute on server and doesn't have GUI. Applets execute on browser and has GUI. Which of the below author is not a part of GOF Gang of 4? A. Erich Gamma. B. Gang pattern. C. Richard Hem. D. Ralph Johnson. Correct answer B. Gang pattern. 4 authors named Richard Hem, Erich Gamma, Ralph Johnson and John Blisides published a book on design patterns. This book initiated the concept of design pattern in software development. They are known as Gang of 4 GOF. What will be the output of the following Java program? A. True. B. False. C. Prints number of bytes in file. D. Prints number of characters in the file. Correct answer C. Prints number of bytes in file. Object.available returns the number of bytes. Which of these class is implemented by filter input stream class? A. Input stream. B. Input output stream. C. Buffered input stream. D. Sequence input stream. Correct answer A. Input stream. File input stream implements input stream. What will be the output of the following Java program if input given is ABC''DEF/'EGH? A. ABC''. B. ABCDEF/'. C. ABC''DEF/'EGH. D. ABCQFGHQ. Correct answer A. ABC''. /' is used for single quotes, that is for representing apostrophe. Which of these is used to perform all input and output operations in Java? A. Streams. B. Variables. C. Classes. D. Methods. Correct answer A. Streams. Like in any other language, streams are used for input and output operations. What does AWT stands for? A. All window tools. B. All writing tools. C. Abstract window toolkit. D. Abstract writing toolkit. Correct answer C. Abstract window toolkit. AWT stands for Abstract Window Toolkit. It is used by applets to interact with the user. What is it called where object has its own life cycle and child object cannot belong to another parent object? A. Aggregation. B. Composition. C. Encapsulation. D. Association. Correct answer A. Aggregation. Aggregation occurs when objects have their own life cycle and child object can associate with only one parent object. Which of these is an correct way making a list that is upper bounded by class number? A, B, C, D. Correct answer A. Which of these keywords is used to upper bound a wildcard? A. Stop. B. Bound. C. Extends. D. Implements. Correct answer C. Extends. Which of the following is true about servlets? A. Servlets execute within the address space of web server. B. Servlets are platform independent because they are written in Java. C. Servlets can use the full functionality of the Java class libraries. D. Servlets execute within the address space of web server, platform independent and uses the functionality of Java class libraries. Correct answer D. Servlets execute within the address space of web server, platform independent and uses the functionality of Java class libraries. Servlets execute within the address space of a web server. Since it is written in Java, it is platform independent. The full functionality is available through libraries. Which of the following code retrieves the body of the request as binary data? A. Data input stream data equal to new input stream. B. Data input stream data equal to response dot get input stream. C. Data input stream data equal to request dot get input stream. D. Data input stream data equal to request dot fetch input stream. Correct answer C. Data input stream data equal to request dot get input stream. Input stream is an abstract class. Get input stream retrieves the request in binary data. How constructor can be used for a servlet? A. Initialization. B. Constructor function. C. Initialization and constructor function. D. Setup method. Correct answer C. Initialization and constructor function. We cannot declare constructors for interface in Java. This means we cannot enforce this requirement to any class which implements servlet interface. Also, servlet requires servlet config object for initialization which is created by container. Which design pattern works on data and action taken based on data provided? A. Command pattern. B. Singleton pattern. C. MVC pattern. D. Facade pattern. Correct answer A. Command pattern. Command pattern is a data-driven design pattern. It is a behavioral pattern. A request is wrapped under an object as command and passed to the invoker object. The invoker object looks for the appropriate object which can handle this command and passes this command to the corresponding object which executes the command. What is the attribute of Java Bean to specify scope of Bean to have single instance per Spring IOC? A. Prototype. B. Singleton. C. Request. D. Session. Correct answer B. Singleton. Singleton scope of Bean specifies only one instance per Spring IOC container. This is the default scope. What does MVC pattern stands for? A. Mock view control. B. Model view controller. C. Mock view class. D. Model view class. Correct answer B. Model view controller. Model represents an object or Java POJO carrying data. View represents the visualization of the data that model contains. The controller acts on both model and view. It is usually used in web development. Which of the following is used to limit the number of rows returned? A. Set max rows, INTI. B. Set min rows, INTI. C. Get max rows, INTI. D. Get min rows, INTI. Correct answer A. Set max rows, INTI. Set max rows, INTI method is used to limit the number of rows that the database returns from the query. What does set auto commit false do? A. Commits transaction after each query. B. Explicitly commits transaction. C. Does not commit transaction automatically after each query. D. Never commits transaction. Correct answer C. Does not commit transaction automatically after each query. Set auto commit false does not commit transaction automatically after each query. That saves a lot of time of the execution and hence improves performance. Which of the following is correct error when loading jar file with duplicate name? A. Java.io.nullPointer exception. B. Java.language.class not found. C. Java.language.class format error. D. Java.language.duplicate class error. Correct answer C. Java.language.class format error. Duplicate name error is thrown when .class file in the jar contains a class whose class name is different from the expected name. How can we identify whether a compilation unit is class or interface from a .class file? A. Java source file header. B. Extension of compilation unit. C. We cannot differentiate between class and interface. D. The class or interface name should be postfixed with unit type. Correct answer A. Java source file header. The Java source file contains a header that declares the type of class or interface, its visibility with respect to other classes, its name and any superclass it may extend or interface it implements. Which component is used to compile, debug and execute Java program? A. JVM. B. JDK. C. JIT. D. JRE. Correct answer B. JDK. JDK is a core component of Java environment and provides all the tools, executables and binaries required to compile, debug and execute a Java program. When overloading does not occur. A. More than one method with same name but different method signature and different number or type of parameters. B. More than one method with same name, same signature but different number of signature. C. More than one method with same name, same signature, same number of parameters but different type. D. More than one method with same name, same number of parameters and type but different signature. Correct answer D. Overloading occurs when more than one method with same name but different constructor and also when same signature but different number of parameters and or parameter type. Which of these exception is thrown by close and read methods? A. IO exception. B. File exception. C. File not found exception. D. File input-output exception. Correct answer A. IO exception. Both close and read method throw IO exception. Which of these values is returned by read method is end of file EOF is encountered? A. 0. B. 1. C. -1. D. Null. Correct answer C. -1. Each time read is called, it reads a single byte from the file and returns the byte as an integer value. Read returns -1 when the end of the file is encountered.